I'm Joe Gurrera. I know fish, and let me tell you how to season fish. Cooking seafood is not complicated. People make it complicated. If you start with a great piece of fresh fish, you don't need much else. Today, we have some swordfish and we have branzino. When you buy a whole branzino, ask your fishmonger to clean it for you. Put it in a bowl and give it an olive oil bath. We're gonna add a little salt. And we're gonna take some rosemary twigs and put it in the belly. And you're ready to go. Swordfish, I'm gonna do a Cajun rub on this swordfish. I'm gonna pat the fish dry. And then I'm gonna dip it in the rub. There you go. You could broil it, you could bake it, you could grill it. It all depends how you feel.